boot. However, this vehicle, it's in here. And one more thing I want to show you now is here. Please subscribe and press bell icon. Then you can. This is a Land Rover Range Rover. I'm going to show you how to add Adblue. Some vehicles has a Adblue point here. Some vehicles here. Sometimes it's close to the fuel cap, or some vehicle has a boot. However, this vehicle, it's in here. And one more thing I want to show you now. This is last time they are going to add Adblue, and after that left it as it is. This Adblue not good for your vehicle paint and the metal area. It can be corroded. Beware of that one. Once you top up the Adblue, you need to clean with the water. I'll show you how to fill up Adblue proper way. You can see as it is, it's very difficult to open the cap because they fill last time and they didn't clean properly this area. That's why this time I am a bit stuck. I'll show you how to open this one. I'm going to use my adjustable file like this and open. See, very tight. Right, however it's open now. See, all crystallize develop this area. That's why I couldn't open the cap. I'm leave it as it is, and after that I'm going to add Adblue here. After that, you can use like this cloth using tap water in surround this area. Then next time it won't be a problem. You can open the cap easily. Right. Then close the cap. After that, add water here and clean this area. Then it won't be a problem for your paint. Right. Please subscribe and press bell icon. Then you can get our new videos. Thanks for watching. See you with another video.
Thanks for watching.